For amazing egg rolls, a stop at Eggroll Anything in Texas City is a must. Come on in and let's take a look. When you're traveling through Texas, you're bound to get hungry. Join Joe as he eats his way through the Lone Star State. This is Texas Chronicles Pit Stop with Joe Perez.
We're at Eggroll Anything here at our Tech City location, 802 25th Avenue North, inside the new Chevron. Okay, we do stuffed egg rolls, and we also do lunch and dinner plates, soul food. We got over 40 flavors of egg rolls. We pick about 6 or 7 and do those for the week. And every day we change our soul food plates. As today we got meatloaf, we do fried ribs, oxtails, anything you can think of. We do lunch plates and we do egg rolls. Our soul food flavors: baked pork chops, cabbage, rice, sausage, and bacon. And that's one of our hometown favorites, just like the Boudin and cheese. We've egg rolls, spaghetti, catfish, apple pie, peach cobbler, Snickers, Kit Kats, whatever you could think of, we put it in an egg roll before. Most people, they say the idea is unique. They've never seen it. They love the food. They come back. We've got 38 reviews on Facebook, and they're all 5-star. People say they love the food. So we've got good reviews so far. Well, honestly, I grew up by a store right here in Tech City, Bayview, that sold egg rolls. And they only had one flavor, one kind, and we loved them. Me and all my friends used to walk over there, ride our bikes to go get them. And every night I used to wonder, man, if I could put my mom's food inside this egg roll, how good would it be? So when I got older, I just tried it at home. First gave it to my kids, they loved it. Gave it to a few friends, they loved it. And I had some real good friends just get behind me and start this company with me. Yeah, well, my main 2 cooks are kitchen manager, Sugar, and Dulu. They do all our cooking. To me, these are just the best people in town that I can find to cook this food. Everything that we egg roll is homemade. We don't buy any store-bought, even from our desserts. We make them all from scratch. We roll them in from, like how you were saying, I love fresh grease. I just love to give people fresh food. We don't use heat lamps. We roll and drop everything right here in front of you. So it's guaranteed you're gonna be fresh, hot food every time you come. There's no way around it. All our food's homemade. All our food's prepared right here in the kitchen, and that's all from scratch. All our social medias are pretty much the same. Eggroll Anything. We're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. All our social medias are pretty much the same. If you see that logo on any of the social medias, that's definitely us. Like I said, Instagram, TikTok. We're real heavy on Facebook also. Like we say, we just put your favorite meal inside of an egg roll. We put your favorite meal inside an egg roll. We're at 802 25th Avenue North. That's our Tech City location, and we do have more locations coming soon. We do catering. We do events. We've done parties. We've done graduations. We've done banquets for the football teams. So this is just one of our locations. We can come anywhere. We can go anywhere. Set up our tables, our tents, our canopies, our fryers, and we can egg roll anything, anywhere, honestly.